Hohua, we all know you've had an absolute bummer of a week. Didn't it start the other morning when you woke up in the wrong bed? Yeah, bro, that happened. What's going on, man? You're a walking liability. Hey, watch out for that step. Oh! Hohua, are you okay there, mate? That was close, bro. I'm sure it will buff right out. You might want to make sure no one else follows in your footsteps. Hohua, tell your manager what happened so you can fill out an AIS form. You'll also have to sign the control plan before it's sent off to Te Maru Painga. Nice handwriting. If required, they'll investigate to offer possible solutions and to keep everyone safe.